Hello, second grade. Follow along with me and say the sounds. Sk, out, scout. Tr, out, trout. Tr, o, n, trone. L, o, n, loan. L, o, n, d, loaned. B, oi, boy. Sp, oi, spoil. Sh, r, sharp. P, oi, nt, point. Sh, all, shawl. Full, nt, flaunt. Full, eye, fly. Nice job.